Welcome to our new video. Here, we will show you how to use the radar in Data Touch. The radar works with UCMDB configurations within the Data Touch interface. UCMDB configurations are used to define, track, and visualize database assets and their availability in a centralized environment, enabling efficient discovery, monitoring, and analysis. To add a new UCMDB configuration, go to Settings UCMDB, Config. You'll see a list of existing UCMDB configurations. Click the New button to define a new UCMDB configuration. To manage existing configurations, use the Edit button to make changes. Click the Delete icon to remove a configuration. Select the Discovery Results icon to view results. When viewing discovery results, use filters to refine the list. Click the Export button to save results. Check the monitored column to see if items are marked as true or false. You can also access the results page directly from the radar menu. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your data with the Data Touch.